morning people. It is now 7:27, 7:28. I have a few stops to make before heading into work. First things first, I have a delivery for a customer who ordered a part. I'm going to show you something before I hand it over to her. So, check this out. And this video, I'll be addressing why you should have a very good mechanic. You see me? So, this is a power steering seal kit. You see me? So this customer noticed a leak from the underside of her van, under her van. When she park it, she move it, there's oil. Check it out. There's a leak from in between the rack and pin and the power steering. You see me? So this mechanic is actually very experienced. So he knew right away, upon doing his proper checks, that all she needs is a seal kit. So he's like, alright, just get a seal kit, me deal with it for you. So she told me now that while she's calling around and checking around all these places, the dealer, third party sellers, everybody, oh, we don't sell seal kits. You have to buy the whole rack and pinion. God no. So this 50 US. Right? You see me? Easy does it. It don't make no sense. So that's one reason why you need to have an experienced mechanic in your corner. You see me? I say make sure you have an experienced mechanic. And that goes for the rest of the aspects of owning a vehicle. Make sure you have a good AC man. Make sure you have a good electrician. You see me, I say make sure you have a good body man. Make sure you have a good spray man, because I know everybody man can spray and vice versa. So yeah, that's very important. Alright, so here she is. I'm gonna go hand this off now, hand it over, whatever, and I'll be back. Yeah man, trust me. And it even pays to, in addition to having a good mechanic, you yourself, you need to garner, you need to gain some experience personally. You see what I say? Yeah. You need to know what's going on at the same time. That helps a lot when you can be aware and you know what's going on. You know, the more you get familiar with a vehicle or your vehicle, trust me, it helps. It helps. So yeah, can't go to work now. I'm gonna put the phone up, focus on the road, buckle my seatbelt, get going. So sequential DRL and indicator. We're gonna test fit. It's gonna be mounted here. We're just checking our wiring, make sure everything is good for now. Turn off the indicator please. So this is it indicating. Indicator is off, switch back to white. So I have two functions.